Hi guys, and welcome back to the Gravity Workshop. Today we're going to be checking out a top tier upgrade for the 92 to 2000 Honda Civic, this front strut brace. This is going to sharpen up your Civic's handling and steering response. Let's get it unboxed and see what we're working with. As always, Gravity Performance packs with care, as we know first impressions count. Everything's wrapped securely to avoid any damage during transit. So, here's the strut brace. These are crafted from high quality, lightweight aluminium. They're designed to fit straight onto the strut tops using the OEM nuts. These mounting points are precision engineered for a seamless fit. All we'd recommend is that you fit it on a flat surface for the best results. Right out of the box, this feels premium. The aluminium's light yet strong, meaning you can keep the weight down whilst boosting your rigidity. Once fitted, you can expect a sharper steering response and increased stability through the corners. This thing's going to make your Civic feel like it's on rails. I suppose all that's left to do is get this thing on. As you can see, this is a subtle mod that makes a huge difference. If you're looking to get better handling and precision out of your car, these are a no-brainer. If you're looking to get yourself a strut brace, head over to the Gravity Performance website today. Thank you very much for watching. We'll see you in the next one.